The global landscape of artificial intelligence has been irrevocably altered with the arrival of DeepSeek AI. This Chinese startup, founded by former high-flyer hedge fund co-founder Liang Wenfeng, has rapidly ascended to become a major player in the field. Based in the technological hub of Hangzhou, DeepSeek has made waves with its commitment to developing low-cost, open-source large language models. These models, designed to process and generate human-like text, are at the forefront of the AI revolution. DeepSeek's emergence is particularly significant given its challenge to the established dominance of American tech giants in the AI arena. DeepSeek's journey took a pivotal turn with the release of its groundbreaking DeepSeek R1 model on January 20, 2025. This event sent shockwaves through the industry, signaling the arrival of a formidable competitor. DeepSeek R1's capabilities quickly became apparent, as it demonstrated advanced reasoning abilities comparable to those of OpenAI's highly regarded models. This achievement was all the more impressive considering that DeepSeek R1 was trained at a fraction of the cost of its American counterparts. The implications of this development were immediately felt across the tech world, raising questions about the future of AI development and the balance of power in the global technology landscape. DeepSeek's impact extended beyond the technical realm, sending tremors through the global stock market. The unveiling of DeepSeek R1 triggered a sell-off that particularly affected major US tech companies heavily invested in AI. Among the hardest hit was NVIDIA, a leading chipmaker whose graphics processing units are essential for AI development. The company witnessed a staggering loss of approximately $600 billion in market capitalization, highlighting the financial stakes involved in the AI race. This event served as a stark reminder of the potential economic consequences of DeepSeek's disruptive entry into the AI arena. The success of DeepSeek R1 can be attributed to a combination of technological innovation and a pragmatic approach to AI development. DeepSeek's engineers focused on maximizing efficiency and achieving remarkable results with limited resources. They employed a range of cutting-edge techniques, including reinforcement learning, to enhance the model's reasoning capabilities. This approach involved training the model on vast data sets and rewarding it for making logical connections and deductions. Furthermore, DeepSeek's decision to utilize rule-based reward systems over more complex neural reward models proved to be a strategic advantage. This approach simplified the training process and allowed for more targeted optimization. The company also embraced the power of distillation, a technique that enables efficient knowledge transfer from larger, more resource-intensive models to smaller, more compact ones. This allowed DeepSeek to achieve impressive performance without the need for exorbitant computational power. DeepSeek's commitment to cost-effectiveness is perhaps its most disruptive aspect. The company's ability to develop highly capable AI models at a fraction of the cost of its competitors has significant implications for the future of the industry. For instance, the training cost of DeepSeek R1 was a mere $5.6 million, a stark contrast to the $78 million spent on training OpenAI's ChatGPT-4 and the staggering $191 million invested in Google's Gemini Ultra. This remarkable cost differential highlights the potential for DeepSeek to democratize access to advanced AI technologies, making them available to a wider range of businesses, researchers, and developers.